Today, we delve into a topic that has left many people wondering, what happened to car manufacturing in Australia? And why has it stopped? Join us as we explore the rise and fall of an industry that once thrived in this country. Before we delve into the current state of car manufacturing in Australia, let's take a trip back in time. Australia's automotive industry had a rich history, dating back to the early 20th century. In the early years, Australian car manufacturers flourished, with iconic brands emerging and capturing the hearts of the nation. Companies like Holden, Ford, and Toyota became synonymous with Australian culture. However, the industry faced numerous challenges in the following decades. Rising production costs, changing consumer preferences, and increased competition from overseas manufacturers began to take their toll. As the years went by, the Australian car manufacturing sector struggled to stay afloat. The global financial crisis of 2008 dealt a severe blow, and several manufacturers were forced to shut down their operations in Australia. We saw colleagues lose their jobs, and entire communities were affected. The closure of the car manufacturing plants meant the end of an era. We felt a sense of loss and uncertainty about the future. The Australian government attempted to support the industry through subsidies and grants, but ultimately, the challenges proved insurmountable. In 2017, the last car rolled off the production line in Australia, marking the end of an era. So, why did car manufacturing stop in Australia? One of the primary reasons was the high cost of production. Compared to countries with lower labour and manufacturing costs, Australia struggled to compete on a global scale. Additionally, the changing landscape of the automotive industry played a significant role. The rise of electric vehicles, advancements in automation, and the shift towards global supply chains made it increasingly difficult for Australia to remain competitive. The global automotive industry is evolving rapidly. Manufacturers need to adapt to new technologies, changing consumer demands, and cost efficiency. Unfortunately, Australia faced challenges in all these areas. Another factor was the decline in domestic car sales. Australians were increasingly opting for imported cars, which offered a wider range of models and competitive pricing. The closure of car manufacturing plants had a profound impact on local communities and the thousands of workers who lost their jobs. However, it also led to a shift in focus towards other sectors, such as advanced manufacturing and renewable energy. It was a difficult transition, but many of us found new opportunities in other industries. While we miss the days of car manufacturing, we're proud to be part of Australia's journey toward a more sustainable future.